Hello creators, welcome to Martube Academy. Today, I'll review smart AdSense tips that can save your YouTube career from costly mistakes. For those who don't know, AdSense is a Google's program that lets you earn money from ads shown on your YouTube videos. Without it, you can't monetize. Here's my advice. Don't rush to create your AdSense account until you have hit the monetization threshold. That is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views. Why this? It is still because creating it too early can cause unnecessary verification or account issues before you are even ready to earn. It can also be deactivated, especially after 3 months. And here is my golden advice. Use a different Gmail for your AdSense account so that if anything happens to your YouTube account, like suspension, hacking, or recovery issues, your AdSense account stays safe, and vice versa. This separation gives you extra protection. Think about it. YouTube channel and your AdSense are your two main income tools. Keep them separate so that if one gets into trouble, the other remains untouched and your income keeps flowing. I've seen too many new creators lose both their channel and their income just because they tied everything to one Gmail. Don't let that be you. Drop your questions in the comments. I will personally reply to all of them. I wouldn't want to drag it too long. So, if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe and share this video with another creator. Let's grow your channel the smart way. See you in the next video.